Hey y'all, down here you'll notice there's leaves on the trees now. Give you a look around while we're talking here, just to give you a reference of how things have changed since the last time I was down here. That's my fire pit, and that's my chair, and this is the creek, and we'll just walk along here. And what we're doing is, the video that you're about to see is back in February. Back in February we had a lot of rain and they were expecting flooding, and I just want you to see this creek how it normally is, and then when we switch over to the actual video where I'm playing in the rain, you can see how this creek was flooded. And just it was my version of a raging river. Anyhow, big difference from what you're about to see. This is the section of the creek that I filmed myself walking through, and you'll see a big difference, huh? Whoops. All kinds of spider webs crossing the path. Well, we don't need to walk over to the other creek. You get the idea. So, enjoy! What do you do on a rainy day? You play in it. Anyhow, it's muddy, it's slippery. See, I just slipped. Okay, so I need to pay attention where I step. Alright, anyhow, I thought I'd run down and actually see what some water running through the creeks would be like. Ouch! There's thorns everywhere. Ooh, that's some muddy stuff there. I like how it's put. Oh man! Yuck! You know how I just love to get dirty. Not really. Ooh! Oh wow! Check it out! Oh man. So this is a very, very small example. That was fun. Not really. Of oh good gracious. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back up. Look at this. Man. How cool is this? And what we're doing is, the video that you're about to see. Look at all that water. Oh, that is awesome. I'm usually stepping on dry ground over here. This is usually all dry. In case you didn't know, mud is slippery. I don't know how I'm going to cross. Oh. Oh. So usually we'll walk along there and cross a little further down. It's too steep to... I don't know if I can get to the other creek. Let's see what we can do. It's going to be fun to try to start a fire in this, as wet as everything is. Good heavens. Well, here's the fun part. Okay. Up on that hill there is where the soccer fields are. That must have been one heck of a kick to have landed soccer balls over here. Uh-oh. All right. Woo, no. Is it worth crossing, getting my feet wet? And do I film myself crossing it and then come back for the camera? I don't know. I know, this ain't nothing compared to what you people do all on a regular basis. This is all new to me. I'm a 48-year-old, out of shape, overweight gentleman. I don't know. Oh, man. I'll slide right down that. Alright, I'm going to walk back to where I know it's shallow, and I'll just figure out how to climb up it. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to get my feet wet. Oh boy. Okay. Oh. It's going to be fun. Where do I climb? I can cross right there. But then where do I climb? Because it's wet. I'm going to end up sliding. Good gracious, what do I do? I think I get my feet wet. See what it's like. Man! Slip, slide, and away. Ain't that deep. Oh, Lord, that's cold. Come on, follow me. Follow me in my stupidity, right? Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta admit, that scares me a little bit. Mainly, I have a bad habit of falling in things like this. Oh, man. Fun, crazy things we do. Don't tell my wife. Oh boy. That was fun. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Can't feel my toes anymore, but we're gonna make it. Oops. Okay, I'm going to do one of those crazy things where I set the camera up, I walk back, and I come back so that you can see me walking through this. I really don't know why people do that, but I guess it makes for fun. And that's what I'm doing. I'm having fun. Okay. I don't know. I guess they say that's fun. All right, to the other creek. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, no offense, I'm not going down there. Much steeper. This is the only way down right here. Right along here. That's the only way down. And I'd hate to slide right into that, because I know that there are jagged rocks and it's deep. I walked down here and filmed a video the other day that I may post. It was dry as a bone. I mean, it was moist, but the water had actually, up there, beyond there is a fence, and it had actually gone under the creek bed and was coming out down here. So obviously we got enough water to fill that underground creek, and is now just flowing right over the top. Yeah, I'm not going down there. Sorry. Oh well. Yeah, there's trash everywhere. I guess a while back people used this as a dumping ground. Ooh. It even pulled up. Look at this. I'll put in some clips of the video where I was sitting right here. We'll let the fire burn some. Let's see what we got here. And had built my fire right there, almost where that where the group of leaves are. It's underwater today. They said to watch out for flash flooding. I don't think this is what they were talking about, but this is a very, very small example. Okay, yay, now I get to walk back through the water. It's easier to go down a gradual slope than a steep slope, especially with as wet as everything is. But I definitely need to be careful. Definitely need to be careful with a slippery. Yeah. See what I mean? With as slippery as everything is, because well, there's rocks. And at my age, I don't need to have rocks, or I don't need to be falling on rocks. So, here we go again. Why does it feel like it's gotten deeper? Oh man. Built up. And with all the rain, we're probably having some good amounts of water coming down this little waterfall. Okay, I'm home. Gonna go get a hot shower, clean up. See you next time. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know I did. just being silly. Got some new videos coming out. Gonna definitely start the Parking Lot Gourmet back up. Been busy packing. We are gonna move, so no more of this beautiful creek, but I'm told the place that we're moving has a creek, and so we'll definitely have fun exploring that. Gonna have a good time. So come along with me. Tell your friends. I think I'm supposed to say things like, subscribe, comment, share. Yeah. Give me some ideas of what you want to see. Do you want to see more outside videos, fireside chats, cooking in the parking lot, any recipes you're interested in? I got I've gotten a few ideas from some people. Gonna do that, but the weather is right where I think I can do the next video that I've been waiting to do. And I am going to take on a big challenge in the back of my truck, Parking Lot Gourmet. So stay tuned for that one, because it's a big challenge to do in the back of your truck out in a parking lot with no electricity. So hopefully you'll be looking for that video. I'll shut up now, and yeah, just remember, have fun in the midst of everything that this world is going through. Stay true to yourself, stay true to your family, because at the end of the day, that's all you got left. See you in the next one. Bye.